Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the new friendship egg feature in Visit. In this second Easter event update, a new boost called friendship egg has been added, and the good news is it's super easy to activate. All you need to do is just fish near other players or your friends like this until you see the golden lines that connecting to your avatars to other nerdy players like this. And then in here you can see the friendship icon at the bottom right corner. This one, you can notice there is a friendship icon like that. This icon signs that the boost is active, and when the boost is on, it increases your luck until 10% while fishing, especially in the Easter Island area. Like this. This one, you can see it will increase 10% luck. So if you want better chances at rare items, make sure you are not fishing alone, and then just activate this friendship egg with your friends or other players. And okay, that's how you can use the friendship egg feature in Fish It. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!